Thank you for tuning into your daily Wallops weather briefing for Monday, March 1st. We saw a very mild low of 49 degrees this morning across the Wallops area. We are continuing to see rain showers, which started about an hour or two ago across Wallops, and they are expected to continue through about 4 p.m. or so. And then once we get towards sunset, we're going to have a drier air mass quickly move into the area, really clearing out skies, with skies becoming clear after midnight tonight. Take a look at our surface analysis across the region. You see this very large front moving across the eastern portion of the country, bringing widespread scattered showers all the way from Texas up through Maine. And that's going to continue, like I said, through about 4 p.m. And then we'll have this high pressure start to drop down and build across the northeast, which will help to usher in a much drier air mass across the region. Also going to be rather chilly out there as we go into tomorrow, as well as we get some colder air moving in behind this front. Taking a look at our radar this morning, we do have these scattered showers continuing. You see there's quite a bit of rain in the area, and not expecting these to end anytime soon. Rain should be fairly persistent through about 4 p.m., maybe seeing a slight chance of a sprinkle for an hour or so after that, and then seeing those skies really quickly clear out once we get past sunset, and expecting clear skies as we go into tonight. Taking a brief look at our upper level winds this morning. We're seeing pretty much west-southwesterly winds across the entire column. Just above the surface, they're running around 30 to 35 knots, with a little bit of a maximum at the 3,000 to 6,000 foot level around 50 to 55 knots. Continuing around 50 knots at 12,000 feet, and then increasing to around 75 knots at the 20 to 25,000 foot level. Seeing our freezing level this morning pretty high at just above 11,000 feet. Taking a look at our forecast for today, expect a high of around 57 degrees today. Westerly winds are going to increase a bit late this morning at 8 to 13 knots and gusty before they shift northwesterly towards the mid to late afternoon at 11 to 16 knots and gusty. They'll continue to remain at around 11 to 16 knots and gusty throughout the overnight hours and into mid-morning tomorrow. And like I said, we're expecting those showers to continue today, tapering off around 4 p.m. Taking a look at our terminal forecast, going to continue to see ceilings at or just below 500 feet. Today with these rain showers, and then once we get towards around 4 p.m., seeing a few clouds at 2,500 feet, broken at 7,500, overcast at 20,000, and then seeing skies really start to clear out after about 6 p.m. with a few clouds at 3,000, scattered at 25,000 by 9 p.m., and then clear skies expected after 2 a.m. tonight. We are seeing tides just slightly above normal along the Delmarva Atlantic coast this morning. Let's take a look at our short-term weather model to start to show you how these rain showers will be progressing as we push through the afternoon. Here you see the rain will be rather persistent, and then the initial front, the actual front will be moving through the area at around 2 p.m. Might see a sprinkle or so after that, but most of the rain is going to be done by 4 p.m. or so, and then seeing drier and cooler air really moving in after that. Taking a look at our longer range forecast, there's the front moving across the area today. As we go into tonight, you see that high pressure start to build into the mid-Atlantic region. That's going to give us those clear skies and some chilly temperatures tomorrow for both the morning and afternoon. And then as we go into Tuesday, we're going to be seeing some very pleasant and seasonable conditions. We'll have a low pass well to the south of the region, not really impacting our weather at all. Maybe just a little bit of cloudiness associated with it in the mid to upper levels, but otherwise going to be remaining fairly pleasant for Wednesday, especially for our launch operation that we have scheduled. As we go on to Thursday, going to be seeing a little bit more cooler air start to move in, a little bit of a dry cold front move through the area, and then we will continue to see dry and conditions as we go into the weekend as well. So taking a look at our 7-day forecast, expect a high of 57 today with rain. Tomorrow morning, going to be seeing a chilly low of 28 degrees, the high only getting up to 42, so rather cold tomorrow under sunny skies. Expect another chilly low Wednesday morning of 28, with some more seasonable high temperatures expected for both Wednesday and Thursday under partly cloudy skies with highs in the low to mid 50s. Still going to be seeing those temperatures around or freezing or just below there as we go throughout much of this week. We'll see that dry cold front with that reinforcing shot of cold air move across the area. Late Thursday, giving us another chilly day on Friday with a high of 44, low of 27. Very chilly morning expected for Saturday with a low of 26, and then chilly high of 45 once again. And then Sunday is going to be couple degrees warmer with just the high close to 50 and a low of 30 under partly to mostly cloudy skies. So if you're sick of all the rain we've been getting, then we are going to be in quite a dry period here for does look like the next 10 days or so after today. That will do it for your daily weather briefing. Have a great day.